Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss the second part. Here we are finding the ranges of delta C1, delta C2, delta C3 up to delta C1. Fine. So here if you remember the formula, then we are having two types of formula here. For Cj we are having two types of formula, for non-basic variable and for basic variable. Fine. So now first see the table. Here according to this table, x1, x4, x7, these are the basic variables. That means x1, x4 and x7, these are the basic variables, and x2, x3, x5, x6, they are non-basic variables. Fine. So now for the basic variable, we have to use this formula, and for non-basic variable we have to use this formula. Fine. So let us apply. So here in the A part, since basic vector is x1, x4, x7, that means this x1, x4 and x7. Fine. So now in this case we will use the second formula. So this will be the formula. Now apply this formula. So we get this. For put j is equal to 1, so delta C1 is equals to minimum of k x star jk. So j is 1, so x1k is less than negative. So we have to find out this ratio. Minus of z star k minus ck divided by x star 1k. And here maximum of k x star 1k is positive when minus z star k minus ck divided by x star 1k. Fine. So now look at this table. So we are finding x1, that C1, this C1, and we know that C1 is associated with x1. So we will move in this row here corresponding to non-basic variable. This is the non-basic variable, this is the non-basic variable, this is the non-basic variable, and this is the non-basic. These four are non-basic variables. So we will move in this column, in this column, in this column, in this column. Fine. So here is the row. So this is the first row corresponding to the non-basic variables. We are having this value, this value, this value, and among these four values, 3 are positive, 1, 2, 3, and 1 is negative. Fine. So now find out the ratio corresponding to this. This is z star k minus ck divided by this. So minus of this value divided by this value, minus of half divided by half, minus of 1 by 38 divided by 538, and minus of 53 by 38 minus of this. Fine. So we have to take this ratio, associated ratio, and here first we will take the ratio for the positive values, which are 1, 2 and 3. So these are the three ratios, and later on is the negative value, and in this table we are having one negative value here, so we have to take this ratio. So this ratio is here. So here among these values find out the maximum one, which is minus 1 by 5, which is associated with this, and here is we have only single value, so that's why this is the ratio. Fine. Now next basic variable is x4. So now move in this row corresponding to non-basic columns. We have one value is positive, this is 0, this is negative, this is positive. So we will take 1 and 2 values, they are for maximization and this one is for the minimization. So here is this ratio, delta C4. So minus 1 by 69 by 38 divided by this value, then minus of 53 by 38 divided by 8 by 38. So this is the ratio. Then right hand side is minimum of minus of 1 by 38 divided by minus 1 by 19. This. Find out the ratio. So this is the ratio. This is the range. Fine. Now in the next is x7. So move in this row. Here we have 1, 2. These are the positive values. These are two negative values. So find out this ratio. Maximum minus 1 by 69 by 38 divided by this value. So that means this value. Then minus half divided by 9 by 2. So this value. So this is for maximization. Similarly for negative values, corresponding ratios are these. So this is the range. Now for non basic variable x2, x3, x5, x6, for non basic variables we have to use this formula. This is, so this is nothing but for delta c2 value will be less than equal to 169 by 38. This is z2 star minus c2. For c3, delta c3, so this is delta c2 is 1 by 69 by 38, this value. For c3 this is less than half. For c5, delta c5 less than equal to 1 by 38, less than 1 by 38. And last is delta c6, so this is less than equal to this value, which is 53 by 38. Fine. So this is the how to find out the range for Cj. Now we will discuss the range of delta Aij in the next video. Thank you.